show. Everybody dance now. My name is Mr. Billy. Hello. How you doing today? Come here. You want to meet my friend Mr. Farts? Hey, I'm Mr. Farts. How you feeling, Mr. Farts? I'm retarded. I'm Will. My name's Will. Yeah, hello. Oh, hi. Hello. 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 So, we're going to dance like a party. We're going to have a party. Oh, my God. I'm Mr. Snot. Brother, Mr. Smiley. How you doing, Nick? Good. Very good. Yep. I'm his brother, Mr. Scream. Yeah. Just stop touching it. This is my friends. These are my family. Here, this is my family.
Yeah, I think it's interesting with the guy with the camera.
Oh my God. Nick. There's something coming. Do you hear that noise?
No!
Oh my God. It killed us. The car killed us.
Wanna go. I'm in a school. I don't care. Wanna go.
Look at, this is a picture of my mommy and daddy. Oh, they're hot. They're really hot. But they're not fingers. They're not my mommy and daddy. I'm just kidding. Oh. Let me call my mommy. Hold on. Mommy, are you home? Oh, we're the family. I'm Fat Louie.
Silent Marv.
Hey, I'm Mr. Smiley. I'm Mr. Mad. I'm Mr. And I'm Mr. Crazy. And guess what I like to do? Thank you to welcome to our show. We'll have a sequel number 2 next week. Goodbye.